electric van gate. Good morning, hope you're all well. Yeah, I'm back out, not far, just at sunny old Wollaton, so I just thought I'd do a quick walk around. Not been in summer for a while, come fairly early because it's quiet. But yeah, I thought it's getting better, but slowly. So like I said on the last video, going to do next week a walk around the city centre in Nottingham, and then it's Wollaton Park. And then hopefully might be back out in the Peak District, depending on how my foot is. I'll see if I can make it an easy walk or which. But yeah, it's got a few areas of the park where you can get good phone photography and using Snapseed. I won't go through the editing or anything because everybody's got their own way. So yeah, let's get cracking on. Right, here's the first one. Beautiful tree. I'm not sure what kind of tree it is. If you know, drop in the comments. But this is the shot I got. Come out all right, hasn't it? Just love with the two trees here, but you've got the shadow on it as well down here. So you can probably make that like do what the dream effect, make it a little bit blurred, so it will come out nice. And the sun, because it's up there, it doesn't disorientate it. So the thing about this park is not just the hall, but the main entrance down there. You've got a Cantonese restaurant, Mr. Man's, which has been there, oh God, before I was born, I think. Massive play area here. There's a coffee shop over there. There's old stables with two cafes. There's a history industrial museum down there, and we've got the lake down there, but we're going to go up this way, see what snaps we can get around the back, and then in, hopefully there's some roses out or some sort of flowers. Anyway, yeah, enjoy this beautiful day. Right, I'm knackered just coming up that hill. Tell it's been a few weeks, need to get back to the gym. Anyway, yeah, this is also a natural history museum. It's an absolutely stunning place. I absolutely love it here because I was brought up just up around the corner, a couple of miles away. So we used to come here all the time as kids and on bikes. But yeah, it's what we'll do. Just turn the camera. What we'll do, we'll get a photo dead on, usual photo. But then, with these like towers are, we can get individual photos from there. Like I say, it's only using phones, so there won't be no massive zoom. But I'm just showing you basics of what you can do. And then, like I say, Snapseed with mobile photography is always what I use. In fact, a lot of photos I do, but yeah, there's so many interesting points, especially if you've got a bridge or a DSLR, you can get in on all these little ornaments areas. But yeah, let's crack on, see what photos we've got. This was also Bruce Wayne's manor house in one of the Batman films. I can't remember which one it was, but probably recognise it if you're a fan of that. Now here's a good one at the top up there. You can get it from down this angle. You can find one I've done before. For all the detailing, if you can get it in, it's absolutely fantastic. But this is the shot I got with the phone. Yeah, so like I say, this is the main entrance, and then we're going to come around here, turn right, and then turn into the gardens. Yeah, decent view of Nottingham, over Wollaton and that way as well. Right, round to the back of the building now, and still just as beautiful. I know some that's got in that tower, and the view's fantastic. I'd love to get in one of these one day. But yeah, this is the back of it. Probably the bit you recognise most from the film, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful building. With all these ornate bits here. It's not a hidden gem. Most people in Nottingham know about it, but not a lot of people out of Nottingham know about it. So I won't call it a hidden gem as such, but yeah. There's the, I think it's the rose garden. It's got a name for it. We'll go down these steps and then turn around and get some flower photography. We'll see what we get here first. Oh, it's so nice, Jeffrey. Oh, look at it. It's wonderful. It's so pretty. If you are a golf wanker, you've got Wollaton Golf Course over here. It isn't cheap, but it's a massive course, takes a big chunk out. But the Derby Road entrance is over this way. So if you go into Nottingham, I've come another way, but you can get the 36 or the 35. Or I can't remember I think it's the I4, with a separate company. You can get them and get off at the Derby Road entrance. Walk up, that'll take you right up to the lake. Then you can go round the back and then end up here and then just go back down and then turn left towards Derby Road again. Nice and easy. Right, so what's happening with my foot? So I thought I'd update you because I've had one or two asking on Instagram. So it's still hurting when I walk, so I've had to wear my trainers, well, my trail runners and the gel inserts like I did said on the last video. If you haven't watched it, I'll put a link below because it's all my hiking gear. Trying to look professional. Nah, never. But yeah, so I'm having to do that because I can't walk on flat surfaces, because that's what's caused this in the first place. And then what do they say? You need to be at home relaxing, just move every now and then. So what's caused it is the solution to it. Don't ask. But anyway, yeah, so we're up and about. Like I said, I've got these next couple of weeks, and then all being well, I'll get some sort of walk, because I've got plenty of hill walks I want to do, and I want to get back up high peaks, because September I want to be hopefully stopping at Fieldhead campsite in Edale, because they shut in November. So, but yeah, and then next month after that, November, I might, all depending, be at Northlees again. So we might get Stanley edging again. But yeah, it's getting there. Like I say, it's not much pain at the moment once I get walking, but I just can't risk it at the moment, because otherwise I could be out for months. So yeah, anyway, get some flowers. Unfortunately, it's locked by the look on it, so I don't think there's much flowering at the moment anyway. But yeah, we'll crack on. But yeah, it's a beautiful little bit of park this is. And got view over the lake as well. So I don't know what the wind's like in the microphone, because I ain't got a minion head for it. I don't know if to see if one of the old ones will cover it. Yeah, so we're just going to go down this path here and then around the lake. It will be a lot cooler there because a lot of it's shaded, but there is a point over, oh God, where are we? Over near this way, where you can see the hall, hopefully, if it's trees aren't too overgrown, and you get a fantastic shot, especially if you've got a proper camera set up. But phone shouldn't be an issue at all. So yeah, let's get cracking. Gay tree. Massive group coming down, so we'll cut across the grass instead of sticking to the path. Well, we still stick to the path around this way, but around that way. But yeah, then we'll come back round. You can go around the back of there. I don't think we'll see any deer today. But yeah, they do have deer roaming around, so don't go and disturb them, because you will get into trouble. And then we'll finish up through there, just out the other side, and then it's back off to the main entrance. So crack on. I did forget to say, the schedule of my posting on, mainly on Instagram, will be changing next week. It'll be less but more tactical. I don't know what you want to call it. But yeah, so we'll be changing. It's just because when I get back to work, I won't be able to keep it up with doing all these different platforms. So usually Sunday, I'll get everything sorted, schedule it, and then there. So yeah, it'll be changing next week. So don't be shocked if I don't post as much, because I do post too much and it don't push out to the right people half the time. But yeah, this is a fantastic place, especially when all the kids are back at school and you just want a quiet midday walk, especially if it's nice, or any weather really. This is fantastic for clearing your head. It's good for your mental health. This is what I mean, basically, because I've been stuck indoors that much, I'm banging my head against the wall. So even going to an appointment, it's like a day out for me at the minute. But yeah, anyway, we'll carry on and we'll see you at the lake. Well, grab a granny day today if you're into that. Seems to be everywhere today, but never mind, at least they're getting out. This is the first time I've managed to get out properly in the sun myself. And all this bit is protected, so no entry. But yeah, pretty nice, isn't it? Finally back in the shade, because that sun is starting to hit now. If you're a tree lover, this is probably your wet dream, because all the woodland, they look like different types. No idea. There we are, a bit further up there, and then we turn off. Well, the lake is definitely drier, because it's usually up, because all this lot's covered. But usually this is a good spot around here, around this little island, for, especially if you've got DSLR or bridge camera, you can get zooming on all the different birds, the swans and all sorts about. In fact, there's a heron. Gorgeous. See if we can get a shot. There we are. We'll do straight up here. You'll get to the stables and then through there. Right, there is 2 cafes near and the museum's on the left. It's quite busy, so I won't be doing any talking. But I'll put all the details up at the bottom and then I'll show you a couple of shots I've got as well. Ice cream. Right, straight across here and I'll catch up with you in a minute. Electric van. Gate. Right, I sincerely hope you have enjoyed it. It's getting busy now, so it's a good job we finished. So it wasn't going to be a long one, this video. The Nottingham one, I'm not too sure. I've got points I'll point out, obviously. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help the algorithm and all that bollocks. So yeah, like I say, if you're not from Nottingham, you don't know, it is worth visiting. Even if you don't go into any of the museums, the Industrial or the Natural History Museum in the hall behind me, it's just a beautiful walk around. I mean, we've gone round the back over there, but there's all massive parkland around this way with paths. So you can, it's not just a case of round the hall and then down the park. It's a shame the greenhouse wasn't open, but there we go. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe.